Here is a quick video that shows you how to add the Smart Thinking online tutoring link to your course. So I took this from Amy Vester's class. Shout out to Amy. And I like the idea that she put a whole section toward the top of her course that specified, online tutoring available 7 days a week or whatever you would like for it to say. But if a student wanted to sign up for tutoring, schedule a session, they know to come to this section in the course and to link out to Smart Thinking. So this is actually what it looks like in your course. You'll have the Smart Thinking link, and I'm going to show you in just a moment how to add that, as well as you should put some type of verbiage to give them some instructions down below on how to access what they're looking for. So this is what it actually looks like in the course. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of this course, and I'm going to add one under this major project under develop section. So you're going to click on add an activity, and Smart Thinking is actually one of the activities that you can choose to add. I'm going to click on add, and it's going to bring up the external tool link, and you would just give it a name, Smart Thinking Online Tutoring, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, click on show more. This is where we can drop that description there, and I'll just say click here. Thought I had copied and pasted it, but that's where you would put your verbiage. Okay, tell it that you do want it to display on the screen. I might say put instructions here. Display on the screen so the students can see the instructions, and then we'll just hit save and continue. Okay, so this is what you're going to get by adding an external tool. So here is the link to Smart Thinking. Okay, and then this is where your instructions would go. And I put them in the email, so you can pretty much copy and paste and just tweak it. So I want to show you real quick what the students actually see when they try to click on the link. So when a student clicks on the link, it's going to take them over to Smart Thinking. This system check is just verifying their system settings, web browser, whatever. They click continue, and we want to choose to log in as a student so that you can see what the student sees. So we'll click log in as a student, and we're going to do another system check. Just click continue to continue. And so this is what the student is going to see. Okay, because I was playing around with that, it actually tells me I have an ongoing tutoring session, so just ignore that. And the student was going to click on work with a tutor or career coach. And then here are the different disciplines that they can get tutoring in. Under the computers and technology, you'll see a lot of the disciplines that we teach, like Natasha. They have Adobe, of course Java, C++. They have Python for the CTI 110 instructors, SQL. Joey, Anthony, and Jarrett, they have Linux. So several different topics that the students can receive tutoring in. They have Microsoft Access. I probably need to add this to my DBA 110 class. And of course, they could also come right here and change disciplines. I think medical office administration for medical terminology in particular, that is under the nursing section. And then if they click on medical terminology, they will actually, it actually tells them that drop-in is on particular dates. So it's unavailable right now, but they do have available hours on Sunday through Thursday from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. Now, we'll go ahead and tell you, this is about the extent of the knowledge that I have with Smart Thinking. So you'll have to investigate your own disciplines and kind of play around with this. I have the link in my Web 210 class for some JavaScript and HTML tutoring, and I'm going to kind of see how it goes. I think this is a great resource to add to your class. I can't wait to hear what students actually think about it if they're using it. So definitely. So if I were you, if you see something that you think would benefit your students, this is how you would add it to your class. I hope this little short demonstration was helpful. Again, thank you, Amy, for letting me steal this from your class.